This video is about the maintenance on your Living Oceans Aquarium. Now, what's really important about our maintenance is to realize that this is a very simple system. We've given you everything you need to look after it, but there are tasks that you have to do, just like any pet. The main ones are, you got to clean the glass a couple of times a week, just quickly running it over. You really shouldn't need to clean the sand and rocks because your cleanup crew should be doing that, but in the early stages, before the cleanup crew have been introduced or other times when there's been a nutrient spike. A real secret is using the scraper every 4 to 6 weeks. Now this has a really sharp blade on the end, so be careful, but basically this one's designed to remove the encrusting algae in the aquarium and run it through the sand if you get a bit of brown rust on the sand. So this tool is critical to your maintenance. So the other tasks are, every 4 to 6 weeks, you need to top up your auto feeder. So number one importance for the whole aquarium is remove the auto feeder before playing with it. Do not try to take the chamber off while it's on the aquarium because you can slip and tip all your excess food into the aquarium. And after 4 to 6 weeks, throw away the old stuff and fill it up with nice fresh food. Now down here we've got our auto top off reservoir. At the moment it's got 7 litres in there. Keep that full above 15 litres, it'll last you for about 4 or 6 weeks. So now, one of the most important things is the water change. Now you need to have a plan in place. You either get us to come and do it, we can get someone for you, or you do it yourself with your DIY maintenance kit. It is actually super easy. We highly recommend doing it yourself so you get really familiar with your aquarium. But the first one's so critical. After 2 months or 3 months, do a water change. We do recommend about a 50%, so it's not going to shock the system too much, but it's a significant amount to rebalance the nutrients and the elements in the aquarium. So don't skip that first maintenance. Preventative maintenance is the key. We recommend every 3 months, unless there's also a problem, then you might want to do it more often. Get in touch with us if you have any questions. Thanks for watching the maintenance task for the Living Oceans Aquariums.